Hello students, this is the third part of video for chapter number 2's revision. The fourth Phillips, that is N.B. Halhed, translated Hindu laws into English. The collectorate became the new center of power and patronage. The company's army, Savar, men on horses, musket, a heavy gun used by infantry soldiers, matchlock, an early type of gun in which the powder was ignited by a match. The Mughal army was mainly composed of cavalry. The local zamindar supplied the Mughal with paid soldiers. Now, what was the uniform military culture developed by the British? Soldiers were increasingly subjected to European style training, drill, and discipline that regulated their life for more than before. What problems were caused by such a culture? Caste and community feelings were ignored in building a force of professional soldiers. Conclusion of this chapter. The East India Company transformed from a trading company to a territorial colonial power. How did steam technology help the company? Till then, it would take anywhere between 6 to 8 months to travel India by sea. Steamship reduced the journey time to 3 weeks. Let's revise. Here are some objectives. Which of the following was the last powerful Mughal ruler? That was Aurangzeb. Bahadur Shah Zafar was arrested by Captain Hodgson. The sole right to trade with the East was granted to the East India Company by Queen Elizabeth. He issued a firman granting the company the right to trade duty free. So, who has issued? Aurangzeb. To crush Siraj-ud-Dawla, Clive sought the support of Mir Jafar. See the Phillips. The British conquest of Bengal began with the Battle of Plassey. Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan were the rulers of Mysore. Dalhousie implemented the doctrine of lapse. Maratha kingdom were located mainly in the southwestern part of India. See the true and false. The Mughal Empire became stronger in 18th century. So that is true. The English East India Company was the only European company that traded with India. That is false. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the ruler of Punjab. That's true. The British did not introduce administrative changes in the territories they conquered. So that is false. They have set up a new administrative and changes. See the matching. Diwani, right to collect land revenue. Tiger of Mysore, Tipu Sultan. Faujdari Adalat, that is criminal court. Rani Channamma, that is led an anti-British movement in Kittur. Sipahi, that is Hindi name, and English name for Sipahi is Sepoy. See the next matching. Diwani Adalat, that is civil court. Court of appeal, that is Sardar Nizamat Adalat. Cavalry means Savars. So what led to the decline of Mughal Empire? After the Aurangzeb's death, the next successors were inefficient. Many became the puppet under British. They appointed company as the Diwan of Bengal. So this was according to this chapter, according to the chapter number 2. In 7th standard, you have learnt many reasons according to the 7th standard. Now, how and when the British East India Company set its feet in India? So, the process of annexation of Indian states by the EIC from 1757 to 1857. So, this was started from this year. It used a variety of political, economic and diplomatic methods before annexing an Indian kingdom. Name the trading companies other than the British East India Company that reached Indian shore. That is the Portuguese, the Dutch and the French. What was the result of competition between the different trading companies? So it inevitably pushed up the price of which these goods could be purchased, and this reduced the profit that could be earned. Defined charter, an official order acquired by the EIC from the ruler of England, that is Queen Elizabeth, granting the sole right to trade with the East. Who discovered the sea route to India and when? Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer who had discovered this sea route to India in 1498. What attracted European trading companies in India? Company was looking for new lands from which it could buy goods at a cheap price and sell it in higher prices. Name the commodities in which the trading companies traded with, that is silk, cotton and spices. So spices like pepper, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. Competition among the European companies inevitably pushed up the prices of the commodities. What was the only way for trading companies to flourish? That was by eliminating rival competitors. There was no space, so I have underlined. You can do the same. What led to intense conflict between the trading companies and the local rulers? Effort to fortify settlements and carry on profitable trade led to intense conflict between the trading company and the local rulers. So here your chapter 2's revision part ends. Complete the worksheet and wait for the geography chapter 1 revision for the next video. Thank you.